Imagine being able to buy your own home without spending a fortune. Today, that might sound impossible, but Elon Musk is working on something that could change that. Known for his futuristic ideas, Musk has set his sights on a new problem: the housing crisis. His plan: a line of affordable houses that almost anyone could afford, designed to help solve the current housing crisis. Let's dive into what this could mean for people around the world and why Musk's plan is so unique. The idea behind Musk's project is simple but powerful. Housing prices today are out of reach for so many people, especially young families, students, and low-income individuals. In many cities, the cost of buying a home or even renting one has gone up so much that people are struggling to afford a place to live. Musk wants to change this by creating a new line of low-cost houses that can be mass-produced and put together quickly. These homes will focus on being affordable, environmentally friendly, and compact without sacrificing comfort. So, let's look at what makes Musk's idea different from typical affordable housing projects. First, these houses are designed to be small but very efficient. Musk's team is using modular building methods, which means the houses are made in sections that can be easily transported and assembled. This helps cut down on construction time and costs. So instead of waiting for months to build a house, it could take just a few days. These modular designs also use space very smartly, fitting everything you need into a smaller area without feeling cramped. Imagine a home that feels cozy and comfortable, but is much more affordable than traditional homes. What makes these homes even more interesting is their eco-friendly design. Musk is a huge believer in sustainability, as we've seen with Tesla's electric cars and SpaceX's work in space exploration. He wants these homes to be as self-sufficient as possible. They're expected to come with solar panels, meaning that they can generate their own electricity from the sun. This is not only good for the planet, but it's also good for your wallet since it can lower electricity bills. Plus, these homes may include energy-efficient appliances that use less power and save on costs, helping people live comfortably without high utility bills. Now, you might be wondering if small, affordable homes will be appealing to people. Musk believes that by combining a good design with smart technology, these homes can actually attract people who want a modern lifestyle without the huge costs. Inside, these homes will likely have smart home technology, such as energy monitors or smart thermostats, so you can easily control your energy use and keep your bills low. This technology is designed to make life easier and more convenient, while also reducing waste. Imagine coming home to a place that looks and feels modern, but doesn't break the bank. Another big part of Musk's plan is community. These affordable homes aren't just for individuals. They're meant to create whole neighborhoods where people can live close to each other, share resources, and help each other out. Think about living in a community where everyone is in the same boat, working together to build a better life. Musk envisions a future where these homes are not just isolated buildings, but part of a larger, connected community where people support each other. This could lead to neighborhoods that feel safer, more connected, and more supportive, with people sharing resources and building friendships. But like any big idea, Musk's affordable housing project has some challenges. Building affordable housing isn't easy, especially with rules, regulations, and the high costs of land in popular areas. There are also challenges with scaling up this idea. Can it work in every country with different housing laws and needs? And can Musk make this affordable housing option available on a global scale? These are big questions, but given Musk's track record, there's reason to believe he'll find solutions. He has already proven that he can take on big industries, from cars with Tesla to space travel with SpaceX. If Musk's affordable housing plan succeeds, it could set an example for other companies and even governments to follow. Affordable housing is a huge need worldwide, and if Musk's approach works, it could inspire others to think differently about how to make housing accessible. Instead of building homes just for profit, more companies might start building with affordability and sustainability in mind. Musk's project could help drive a new way of thinking about housing, where homes are made to be affordable, eco-friendly, and accessible to more people. So what's next? While we don't have all the details yet, the potential for these homes is exciting. With Elon Musk leading the project, there's a chance we could see a real change in the way housing is built and who can afford it. Musk's goal is ambitious, but if it works, it could transform communities and give people the chance to own a home of their own, something that, for many, has felt like an impossible dream. As this project develops, we'll be watching closely to see if Musk's vision can become a reality. If you liked this video, so don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you.